Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon L. And in this lesson, we'll continue the series of videos that cover the topic les préfixes et les verbes. And in that video, we'll actually have POSER. And so you've got the translations here. Okay, of POSER. And so remember that, the idea is that we will add letters in front of POSER, so that's what we call prefix, and by adding these prefix, we will modify the meaning or the original meaning of the verb poser. Okay, so let's see now what we've got. So it's possible to add this com prefix, composer. Okay, composer. All right, and you've got here the translations of this verb. Composer. It's also possible to add the prefix d, accent aigu, d, and you get déposer. All right, déposer. And here you can find what it means in English. Okay, déposer. It's also possible to add the prefix entre, entre, and you get entreposer, entreposer, entreposer. Okay, and here is the meaning. That it's possible to add this pro, proposer. Okay, proposer. Or then you can also add this reposer, reposer, reposer. Okay, and here you've got the translation. It's also possible to have, when we're talking about this reposer, well, this se reposer, se reposer, se reposer. This is it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and then I'm also on Facebook, so you can click on like if you like me, and then more material can be found at the following address here. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.